is Sam Kippen. My student number is T00698764, and this is my clinical mentor, Dr. White. And today we're going to be tracing oxygen from the rebreathing system. So we're going to be looking on the back here to see that our system is connected for our rebreathing system, which it is. So we're looking at the oxygen here. The oxygen source is right here, and it's going to run up and around here, and it's going to go through the oxygen pressure meter. So we've got that here, and it's going to come around the hose here. Then come up the front to our oxygen pressure meter, which is right here, or oxygen flow meter. And this is going to allow us to be able to decide how much oxygen we want the patient to receive based on turning this valve up and down, this knob up and down. Then going into our vaporizer inlet, we go through here and then into the vaporizer. So the oxygen is going to flow in here in the vaporizer inlet, into the vaporizer, and it's going to pick up isoflurane. And we've got a valve here, and it's going to be able to determine how much of the isoflurane we're able to give the patient depending on where we set this valve. Then it's going to come out of the vaporizer, out the vaporizer outlet, back up and around here. This is the inspiratory flutter valve and the inspiratory chamber here, and it's going to go in from the inspiratory valve and out the inspiratory outlet here. And it's going to go down the inspiratory limb, which is right here. Now, the inspiratory oxygen and ISO is going to be received through, you can see right in the middle here, there's a small tube that's going to be taking the oxygen and the ISO to our patient. So it comes and follows all the way down the inspiratory limb to the end here where it's going to be connected to the ET tube for the patient. And then patient breathes out. It'll breathe out CO2, and it'll breathe out the extra or waste isoflurane, and it will come out the outside of this tube. See, there's like a clear part, so it comes out the outside. So it comes out the expiratory limb. So going up this way now. Now it's going to come down into this direction, and then it's going to go into the expiratory flutter valve. So it's going to go here. Some of it was going to come up the pop-up valve, and some of it will just go out this way, and it will go into the CO2. So out this comes in the expiratory, comes in this way, and then it will go into the CO2 canister. And some of it will come out this way as well, and then into a reservoir bag right here. Now, it will also come from the expiratory flutter valve, like I said, up the pop-up valve, but it will also come out this way, and it will come up and down and around here. So you can see it's coming up the valve here, coming down here, and into our waste, right down here. The only mistake